Ever wonder what it takes to start the day feeling truly radiant? Uh, Gwyneth Paltrow recently offered a glimpse into her morning routine, and it's a bit more involved than just hitting the snooze button. Um, Before we dive in, remember to subscribe and hit that like button. The Oscar-winning actress who's been openly discussing her mental health shared a makeup-free selfie sporting eye masks. It wasn't about showcasing perfection, but about kind of prioritizing self-care. She's embracing a slower pace as she navigates life. After 50, her morning begins with a lift and depuff eye mask from her Goop Beauty line, priced at $125 for a pack of 30. Uh, it's a small indulgence in a larger commitment to wellness. It's not just about skincare, it's about setting a mindful tone for the day. Paltrow then practices an ancient Ayurvedic technique, oil pulling. This involves swishing oil in your mouth, believed to improve oral health and brighten teeth. Following that, she uses a copper tongue scraper to remove toxins. Next comes the skincare. Uh, she cleanses with a goop cleanser, followed by a peptide serum to add a healthy glow. Uh, she doesn't stop there. Uh, an all-in-one moisturizer and goop face oil, her liquid gold, uh, complete the routine. Uh, she has spoken about the freedoms that come with turning 50, wanting to live life on her own terms, and embrace the things that bring her joy. She's focused on aligning with her body and mind. Um, a shift from her skincare habits in her 20s. Paltrow recently revealed she's been navigating a journey with attention deficit disorder. Um, she's striving for intentionality and uh, grounding herself amidst a busy life. That it's a reminder that even those who seem to have it all together face personal challenges. Um, she's also been candid about anxiety and hormonal changes impacting her nervous system. The pressures of fame and a sensitive nature have taken a toll. Um, she's now working with two therapists and leaning on a supportive network. She admits to experiencing intrusive thoughts and a racing heart, something new for her. So she's actively working to manage her cortisol levels and find moments of peace. Um, it's a vulnerable admission that highlights the importance of prioritizing mental health. Um, Paltrow's morning isn't just about products. It's a holistic approach to well-being. It's about slowing down, connecting with yourself, and embracing the journey, even when it's challenging. She says she doesn't care what people think, and that turning 50 has allowed her to deepen into herself. It seems that her commitment to wellness isn't just a routine, and it's a lifestyle. Speaking of routines, did you know Gwyneth once admitted to going to bed with her makeup on in her 20s? Talk about a glow up. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see you next time.